makakahanap din kayo ng para sa inyo. Yan. Tamang tao talaga doon. Diba?
This through my eyes, but then I won't even be there. I'll be happy somewhere, even if I can't. I know you don't really see my worth. You think you're the last guy on earth. Well, I've got news for you. I know I'm not that strong, but it won't take long. Won't take long. 'Cause someone's gonna love me. Someday, someone's gonna take your place. One day, I'll forget about you. You'll see, I won't even miss you. Someday, someday. Right now, I know you can tell I'm down and I'm not doing well. But one day these tears, they will all run dry. I won't have to cry sweet goodbye. 'Cause someday someone's gonna love me the way I wanted you to need me. Someday someone's gonna take your place. Whoa, one day I'll forget about you. You'll see, I won't even miss you. Someday I know someone's gonna be there. Someday, someone's gonna love me the way I wanted you to need me. Someday, someone's gonna take your place. One day, I'll forget about you. You'll see, I won't even miss you. Someday,
I don't want it unless I know. With each passing hour, one somehow will be there, ready to shine. I need a love that's strong. I'm so tired of being alone, but with my lonely heart played a part, full again before I begin.
it's hard, hear me calling, stop before you
Duncan Ramos and Nina. Susunod na po, mga jukebox singers sa kantanong sa pababalik ng Will Time, Big Time!
Hear me calling, stop the fall. You suffer.
Welcome back to Will Time, Big Time. Magkasama pa rin po natin ang ating mga unang-unang Insta-Jammers. Kasama natin si Joey G of Side A, Duncan Ramos, and of course, the Soul Siren, Nina. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Good evening, Maria.
Kayo yung pinakaunang nag-Insta-Jam dito sa Will Time, Big Time. Bumatin muna kayo.
Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat, sa lahat ng nanonood ng Will Time Big Time. Yes.
Yeah, maraming salamat sa mga nanood ng Will Time Big Time. Thank you so much.
Of course, magandang gabi sa lahat. Sa mga Bisaya, mayang gabi.
Yes, and of course, marami kayong mga upcoming shows. Please invite everyone. I'll start with Duncan.
Ako po, matagal po akong di nag-bar show, pero ngayon po, I'll be performing every Friday sa W Bar, sa Will's Event Space po yan. I'll be there every Friday, so I'll see you guys.
Wow! And of course, Sir Joey
Yes,
G.
sa W Bar din kami every Wednesday, Side A. Then every Saturday sa 19 East. Then September 7, meron kaming Dubai. Kasama namin si Kay Brosas and Kalya Lily. And of course, my new album is already, my first solo album is already out. It's under Warner Music Philippines. The title of the album is Joey G Stand. And every Thursday of September, nasa Chiviswara ko.
Congratulations kasi
Please do come.
after all this time, ngayon ka lang nagkaroon ng solo
Yes,
album.
yes.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
And of course, Nina.
Yes, ako naman, first time ko magpo-perform sa W Bar. Excited na ako. Sobrang ganda ng W Bar. Dapat mapuntahan niyo. Sa September 8 yan. And on September 22 sa Pagcor, Parañaque. And 19 East ba yan? Tsaka September 29 sa Lyceum, Batangas. Kita-kita po tayo.
Alright. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat ulit. At eto na po ang ating katanong with CDO Carne Norte.